jail. So when they talk about the scammer them there, yep, the FBI them, extradition warrant there. Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about the 8 Jamaicans that was extradited from Jamaica to the United States to North Dakota to face 66 counts. When I say 66, I mean 66 counts of charges as far as lottery scam is concerned. So I did this story last year when it just came out, and I was saying I'll leave the link to the video that I did last year on the same topic with the same people, but I didn't call their names in the video because I didn't know if they were actually going to get extradited or not, and I didn't want to put their names out there. But now their names and faces are in the whole wide media. Okay, their faces are all over Google, all over Instagram at this point. So I'll definitely leave that link to the video that I did last year in the description box, and also in the cue cards above. Whether it's here or here, a thing will pop up. But I did this tour when nobody else wasn't checking for my YouTube channel. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna read this article from the Gleaner, and it says prosecutors in several cities across the United States are getting ready to unleash a wave of up to 500 extradition requests for Jamaicans they believe are involved in the deadly lottery scam. Josiah Pollockcheck, counselor from the Public Affairs at the United States Embassy in Kingston, revealed that yesterday a few requests for extradition of acknowledged lottery scammers are already within the Jamaican government, and warned that American prosecutors had dozens of cases that are at the extradition stage. That means most of them are with the U.S. Attorney's Office, getting ready to be sent to the Ministry of Justice. Pollockcheck said when asked to define the extradition stage. Pollockcheck revealed that Jamaicans and U.S. law enforcement agency were jointly pursuing between 3,000 and 5,000 lottery scam investigations, and indicated that as many as 300 cases were at the pre-extradition stage. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We expect to see just a steady flow of people going up to the United States to face justice for this crime, he declared. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has already declared that there will be no delay in the signing of the extradition orders for Jamaicans wanted in the U.S. for lottery scam offenses. All orders that come before me are signed within hours once I read them, and everything is in order, Chuck told the Gleaner. So as soon as the paper them hit in desk, okay, fee extradition, him signing. Okay, that's for sure, yo. The disclosure by Pollock came with while 8 Jamaicans, included a police constable, a mother, and her adult son, a young woman who has a 1-year-old child, were being loaded on an aircraft at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston to be sent to the U.S. to stand trial for lottery scam offenses. Constable Jason Jahal, Kezri Gray, and his mother, Dalia Hunter, Alric McLeod, Dario Palmer, Anil Brown, Exxon Anna Morgan, and Kimberly Hudson, who gave birth while in custody. So Kimberly Hudson gave birth while she was locked up in jail, are wanted in the state of North Dakota on 66 count indictment. Okay. They are each charged with 1 count of conspiracy and attempting to commit wire fraud, 48 counts of wire fraud, 15 counts of mail fraud, and 1 count of money laundering. According to the prosecutors in North Dakota, the 8 were part of the criminal organization led by another Jamaican identified as Laverick Willicks. that use an advance fee or lottery scam scheme to fleece 80 elderly American citizens of approximately US $5.6 million. I hope they do something good with that money then. Willox, who is also Hunt's son, was extradited to the US in January on lottery scam related charges. So this is like, these 8 people are examples for everybody that's in Jamaica that's doing lottery scam. You can't take people hard-earned money that they worked and saved up out of them life and just rob them. No go so. It's not gonna work so. And especially within the United States, the United States don't let stuff like that fly. They don't just leave stuff like that. Like I've been saying that the FBI have been in Jamaica for a long time investigating lottery scam, and nobody wanted to believe me, or nobody wanted to acknowledge me or acknowledge what I was saying. So this is proof, okay? Proof to show you guys that not only the FBI is in Jamaica investigating these lottery scams, but other countries have their people in Jamaica investigating lottery scams. And the 8 people that were extradited to the United States, the police constable Jahal that's included in the 8 persons, they said that they were investigating him since 2012. Okay, they have been investigating the police constable that got extradited to the United States a few days ago since 2012. So them non just papas that come and pick up nobody for no lottery scam. They're watching you guys, they're building a case, and they're gonna make sure that you're convicted and you go to jail. Okay, to jail. So when they talk about the scammer them there, yep, the FBI them extradition warrant there. Okay, it's nothing to be proud of. I mean, hear people that sing that song all the time, and I'm like shaking my head because you guys don't know what you guys got yourself into. Now Jamaica and the United States have partnered their law enforcement agencies together just so that they can deal with the cases of lottery scam and actually investigate them. So me don't know what no do when extradition requests come on foot if you're not a lottery scam artist. Okay, so comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm proud of you, man. Deuce.